In this quick tutorial video, let me guide you through on how to set up the vacation responder. If you're going on a vacation or gonna be out of work and you want to add in an automatic reply to all of the emails that you get within that time period, the way that you do it is through the settings of your AOL Mail. So click on the settings option on the top right and then head over to more settings. Inside of more settings, you'll see the option called vacation response. You just need to head over to it. And right here, it says set automatic reply to incoming messages when you are on vacation or out of office. So you just need to toggle this option on. Firstly, select the exact date you're going to be out of office. You can add in the end date as well, and then type in your exact message. You can also add in different items as well, such as stationaries and GIFs if you like. So also, if you want to send different responses from emails coming from different domains, such as emails coming from your office, you can add in the domain as well. This way you can add in a separate message coming from a particular domain. Once all of your information is now set, you can click on save on the bottom. The vacation response now has been saved. Any emails that you receive from this time period will now get an automatic response that you just added in. So that was the steps that you need to follow in order to add in the vacation responder inside of AOL Mail. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.